Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. You are the best and deserve the best. Practice makes a man perfect. Do practice, get good results. Oxidation number and oxidation state of chromium in K2Cr27 we discuss here. Oxidation number I have written here in K2Cr27. Find this. 2 chromium atoms are present. How many? 2. So I have taken ionic form. This is dichromate ion. This is dichromate ion. Okay, so here it is, since we have removed K, so here 2 negative charge are there. So this is dichromate ion, Cr27, 2 negative. So the charge on 2x, to total there are 2 chromium, so charge on 2x will be equal to how much? So 2x plus, here we are taking this is 7 times oxygen, so oxygen number of this oxidation number of oxygen is equal to -2 per atom. It is concerned. So here there are 7 atoms, so -2 into 7 is equal to charge on ion will be -2, means total charge on this will be equal to the charge on the ion. Whether it is neutral, so we have to write on 0, but it is here -2, so I have written -2. Okay, so now total charge will be equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 2x minus 14 is equal to -2, because plus minus minus. Okay, so 2x minus 14 is equal to -2, so 2x will be equal to 12. So oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr27 is 12. Total charge on is equal to plus 12 on 2 chromium atom. So oxidation number of chromium is Cr2 is equal to 12 over here. Now charge on 1 chromium atom, because I told you earlier that this charge on 1 oxidation state formula what I have given to you, oxidation number by number of atoms, this which we are discussing. So here how many oxidation number we have calculated? There is 12 oxidation number. How many chromium are present in K2Cr27? 2. Okay, 2 chromium present. So here what we will do, 12 divided by 2, so it will be 6. So oxidation state of chromium will be 6, and this charge on this will be 12. Okay, because both chromium we are considering. So oxidation number 12, oxidation state plus 6 in case of K2Cr27. I think this is clear to you. I took especially these examples because it will come further in the ionic balancing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Keep practice, keep doing, write down each and everything on your notebook, so that it will be easy for you to learn it. Okay, and practice makes a man perfect. You are the best.